This product video was made from one Etsy photo in under 5 minutes.
I just love my new bracelet.
No camera crew, no expensive setup. I'm about to show you exactly how to do this in 3 ways that you can profit from it. The best part is that most sellers don't even know this exists yet. I'm Brittany, and today we're turning static Etsy listings into scroll-stopping videos using TopView.AI. Whether you want to help other sellers boost their own listings or create content for affiliate marketing, this process works. Let's start with this 14-karat gold bracelet I found on Etsy. It has gorgeous photos, but 0 video content. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the complete system and 3 ways to monetize it in under 30 minutes a day, even if you're completely new to AI tools or video creation. So here's what's happening. Etsy shoppers are scrolling faster than ever. A static photo might get a glance, but a well-crafted product video stops the scroll and builds buyers' confidence, especially for higher priced items. Because if I'm gonna pay a high price for a product, I definitely wanna see a video. The proof is in the pudding. I'll tell you about that a little bit later. Most Etsy sellers know that videos work, but they think it's complicated or expensive, or it just takes too much time. And that's exactly why this opportunity exists right now. Now, here's our step-by-step plan. So first, we're gonna find high demand products with no video. We're gonna use Everbee. Then I'll show you how TopView.AI turns any product URL into professional video content using their avatar for technology. Finally, we'll explore 3 monetization paths, including the exact outreach script that will work for you right now. And I'll quickly demonstrate TopView's voice features so you'll understand its full capabilities. But for Etsy listings, we're creating silent videos. Etsy only allows for 7-second silent clips in product galleries. That's our target format. But keep in mind, you could use longer versions for social media. So let's start with Everbee to identify opportunities. We're looking for a specific combination: proven demand plus 0 video competition. High-priced items work best because the buyers need more convincing. Here's your pro tip: save promising listings in a spreadsheet. You'll want to batch create multiple videos once you get the workflow down. This is where TopView.AI shines. All you have to do is paste the Etsy listing and watch what happens. It automatically imports all the product images plus the listing description. No manual uploading, copying text. This alone saves 15 to 20 minutes per video. The AI is reading the listing and preparing everything we need. Avatar 4 is the breakthrough feature. You can upload any photo for your personal branding, or you can choose from any of their avatars if you want to be faceless. So for this video, I'm creating a consistent brand avatar for jewelry videos. Consistency matters here. So using the same avatar across multiple product videos creates brand recognition and trust with potential buyers. So now we're positioning your avatar with the bracelet. TopView automatically removes backgrounds. Then we use positioning tools to make it look natural. So for jewelry, let's scale it to about 85-90% and add a slight rotation for realism. Small adjustments make huge differences. We want the avatar to look like they're actually presenting this specific bracelet, not just standing next to a random object. So let me quickly show you how TopView's auto scripting feature works. This is powerful for social media versions where you want a voiceover. But remember, our Etsy deliverable will be silent. The talking versions work great for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts to drive traffic back to the listing. But Etsy itself gets the clean, silent version. Here's where the strategy matters. I'm creating 2 versions: a 7-second silent clip optimized for Etsy's gallery and a 15-second talking version for social platforms. So different platforms, different purposes. Once your avatar and voice presets are saved, you can create new videos in minutes. So let's talk about maximizing that 7-second Etsy video. Once your avatar and your voice presets are saved, you can create new videos in just a matter of minutes. So let's talk about maximizing that 7-second Etsy video. Every second needs to work hard. Notice we're trying to say everything. We're creating curiosity that drives clicks to the full listing. So here are 3 monetization paths. Path 1, you can offer a video creation as a service to existing Etsy sellers. They have the products, the traffic, and all you have to do is add the video upgrade. Path 2, create videos for affiliate products. Then use them in social content to drive sales through your affiliate links. Now, you could definitely use Amazon to find out exactly what's on top. And path number 3, if you're selling on Etsy yourself, you can now have a competitive edge that most sellers don't have. Here's the exact outreach process that you can use that will work for you right now. So say you want to reach out to Etsy sellers. Here's the exact outreach process that can get you to making money right now. So first, we're going to Everbee and search Etsy's categories: jewelry, home decor, planners, filter for great photos plus no video. So we're looking for active sellers that have great photos, a high-priced item, but no video. So you want to save the shop details in a spreadsheet. You can use Google Spreadsheet, Airtable, whatever works best for you. Here is a great initial outreach message. Hi, name, whatever their product is, caught my attention. Beautiful work. I help Etsy sellers increase conversion with AI-generated product videos and listing optimization. Would you like a free SEO analysis of one of your listings? No strings attached. I just want to show you what's possible. And here's where you can add that extra bit of icing. You can use my Etsy SEO description tool. The link is below. It's etsy.gocreatorgrow.com for quick SEO suggestions. It will deliver title variations, tag recommendations, build trust before mentioning the video services. This AI tool will definitely show that you know what you're talking about. Now, here's your video service upsell. Let's say you deliver and they love it. Here's your response. Love that the SEO suggestions resonated. I can also create professional product videos for your listings using AI technology, both an Etsy optimized version and SEO versions. Here's an example of what it looks like. Let me save you from the mistakes I see people make. Mistake 1, making videos too long or too complex for Etsy. Here's your fix. Keep Etsy versions under 7 seconds. Save the complexity for social. Mistake number 2, inconsistent avatar personas across products. Create and save branded avatar presets. You can easily use TopView.AI to create and save branded avatar presets, and it's like you have your own consistent model every single time. And TopView.AI allows you to incorporate other platforms like Nano Banana or Midjourney, photos from other platforms that you've created, and you can have your very own branded avatar from images that you've created. And mistake number 3, forgetting to optimize text overlays for mobile viewing. And with TopView.AI, it is a breeze. You can easily test readability on the phone screen before finalizing and delivering. Ready to test this yourself? Click TopView.AI link in my description and try it with one product listing. You can use their free credits to create your first video and let me know because I'd love to see what you create. So drop the link to the Etsy listing you're going to test in the comments, and I'll tell you if it's a good candidate for this process. Remember, Etsy sellers making more money with video aren't necessarily more creative than you. They just started before their competition. AI tools like TopView.AI level the playing field. The question isn't whether this works, it's whether you'll be early enough to capitalize on it. Create your first video this week. I'll see you in the comments. I'd love to know, are you interested in trying this technique? If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.